Warm clothes distributed to needy people. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jilly Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. In a piece of news coming in from Umrongso in Dimahasau, the 3-day annual meet jointly organized by Karbi Hemphu Mukrang Amai and Amri Ronghang Karbi Hemphu Mukrang Riso Nimso Song was concluded on Friday. The event was held at Hemphu Mukrang P. Rasinja Adawan in Rong Arting village, Umrongso. The meet, which was concluded on Friday, began on January 13 with Karbi traditional ritual Longri Ase Kartli. The program was graced as chief guest by local MSC Joy Singh Durong, KLA Vice President Hukur Singh Rongpi, Advocate Sarthe Ronghi, KSA Advisor Robin Teron, Village Headman Mojari Rongpi, and several others also attended the program. While speaking to media, President Habib Terang and Samson Inki said that the Amri Ronghang Karbi Hemphu Mukrang Amai is an indigenous Karbi non-political, socio-economic, cultural and religious organization formed to protect and preservation of Karbi traditional, cultural, custom and belief, Nimrim or Aron Bareng. In addition to this, the organizer also expressed its happiness over the success of the event, also gratitude towards all individuals for their support. Linson Ronghang's report from Umrongso for Karbi Anglong Live. In another tragic accident, one biker was killed on the spot along the highway between Thentaghat and Tekelangchon under the Dokmuka police station on Friday evening. According to family members, the biker was hit by a truck from behind. Our correspondent has sent us this report. The accident took place after a rider who was returning home with friends on a bike from Samilangso was hit from behind by a sand-loaded truck at around 7 p.m. on Friday evening. The biker who was killed on the spot was identified as Kattiso village resident Longki Terang. The deceased has left behind his wife and 2 children.
Joydak area lo lapen ako PS abangke ako Dokmuka Sipuri Samilangso puri ge समय घटना दे लो लपेन का घटना दे बांस तमे अलंगली बांके इले तुम अपुरिया लो लपेन नीली आर्मू लो अलंगली मेना बांके इन्हें बांके लांगलू सितमे अलंगली सितमे तेरंग कुर्सी दुन लो इन्हें बांके 9 तेरंग को अलंगली मेना बांके नॉन अलंगली के चेवो एक जुई नीली आर्मू पुलो लपेन अलंगली सुपो अदावाम सो बांके नीली इगा सुपी सी रिमिगलो नीली इगा सुपी ता नीली सुपी लो Nili ga sopi akling sisi alangli remiglo tarmane sangtia gari bang alangli tum api nang duni bom lo tami alangli tum bang bike pen se bang bom nili phana pachinia teng pen bike pen se bang bom tami alang tum bang England chalo amase alangli tum tami side peg lo tami sangtia gari bang api pen patong phelo.
Samsung Intis report from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. Showing their human feelings, the kind-hearted members of the Football Coaching Academy distributed warm clothes to several needy persons around Dipu town. The drive was carried out on Friday evening at around 6:30 p.m. The noble initiative of the Football Coaching Center was supported by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Yang Lunsing Teron, and it happened under the guidance of CASA General Secretary Pankaj Teron. The team distributed blankets to those who sleep near the roadside at 6 different locations like Stadium Street, Taralangso Entrance, bus stand and railway station. The coaching center coach Horan Inki told media person that more of such programs will be taken up by the center in near future. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.